dear children, today we are going to know about a new topic, that is the cropping pattern. Can you say name of some of the crops? Yes, you know. What are they? Rice, wheat, pulses, gram, rubber, jute, cotton, etc. are some of the crops that we are growing in our country, India. We can classify these crops into three. What are they? The Rabi crops, the Kharif crops and the Zaid crops. First we can discuss about the Rabi crops. Rabi crops are those crops which are sown in the winter season, that is from October to December, and harvested in summer season from April to June. What do you learn? These are those crops which are grown during which months? From October to December, and harvested in which months? Summer months. What are they? April, May and June. Now let us learn what are the major Rabi crops. The major Rabi crops are wheat, barley, peas, gram and mustard. And where they are grown in our country, India. They are grown particularly in northwestern part of our country. Name of these states such as Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir and Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh are the major states where these type of crops are grown. Availability of precipitation during the winter months helps for the success of these type of crops. Which is the factor that helps for the success of these type of crops? Availability of precipitation. What do you mean by precipitation? Snowfall, which helps for the growth of such type of crops. Okay, all these are the features of Rabi crops. Now we are going to discuss about the second type of crops. What is the name of the second type of crops? Kharif crops. These crops are grown in which months do you know? On the onset of monsoon and harvested in September, October or October to September. What do you mean by the onset of monsoon? The meaning is arrival of a monsoon. Now which season is going on here? The rainy season. June, July, etc. Heaviest rainfall is occurring. So these type of crops, Kharif crops are grown on the onset of monsoon and harvested in September to October. What are the major Kharif crops? They are paddy. Paddy is the another name for a rice. Paddy, maize, tur. Tur meaning red dal, urud dal, moong, etc. are some of the major Kharif crops. And in our country, India, where they are growing? They are growing in some of the states such as Assam. Assam is the heaviest rainfall area, no? Assam, West Bengal. And the other states are Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Bihar, etc. are the major states or the main states where such crops are growing. Now let us move to the third type of crops. In between the Rabi season and the Kharif season, there is a short season of summer months. There is a short season of summer months, which is known as Zaid crops. Do you know what are the major side crops? They are watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber. Then it also involves vegetables, etc. Let us learn that these major type of crops with the help of a chart. All of you look here. See the cropping pattern in India. India has 3 cropping season: Rabi, Kharif and Zaid. What do you mean by Rabi crops? These are sown in winter from October to December and harvested in summer from April to June. Examples are wheat, barley, peas, gram and mustard. The major states are the states of India such as Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh. The second type is Kharif crops. These are grown with the onset of monsoon and harvested in September to October. Example, paddy is the another name for rice, maize, jowar, bajra, tur. Tur means red dal. Moong, moong meaning green pea. Urud dal, cotton, jute, groundnut and soya bean. All of you look here. Here I have underlined some words. Peas belong to the Rabi crops, but moong, what is that? Green pea and urud dal and red dal belong to which crop? Kharif crops. Should identify these items, so underline that words or that crops. And the states where Kharif crops are grown are Assam, West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. And the third type of crops are side crops. In between the Rabi and Kharif crops seasons, there is a short season during the summer months known as a side season. What are the examples? Watermelon, muskmelon meaning shamam, cucumber, vegetables and fodder crops. Fodder crops are for animals. Okay dear children, these are the major cropping pattern in our country India. Now let us learn about the major crops of our country India. It can be classified into 3 types. What are they? Do you know? They are food crops which are grains, food crops which are non-grains meaning not grains, and the third one is a non-food crops. What are they? What are the grain items? The grain items includes rice, wheat, millets. Millets includes jowar, bajra and ragi. These are nutrient food for the children. Millets, jowar, bajra and ragi are the nutrient food for the children. Maize, pulses. All these belong to which category? Grain items. And the second one is food crops other than grains, which includes sugarcane, coffee, tea and oil seeds. And next item is horticulture crops. Horticulture crops includes fruits and vegetables. Different types of fruits and different types of vegetables belong to which category? Horticulture crops. And the third category is non-food crops. What is the meaning? Not food items which are for industrial purposes. Rubber industry. Then fiber crops. Fiber crops includes cotton, jute, hemp, silk, etc. All these are known as fiber crops. Textile industry. For the growth of the textile industry, fiber crops are used. Okay dear children, in our next class, we will discuss more about the major crops of India. Let me to wind up today's class. Thank you. Have a wonderful